Welcome to YouTube channel Lingareddy Chemistry JEE NEET. Redox reactions JEE PYQ questions. The topic is oxidation and reduction reactions. Question number 1. The compound that cannot act both as oxidizing and reducing agent. See, oxidizing and reducing agent. For oxidizing agent, the basic thing is it should gain electron. It should gain electron. For reducing agent, it should lose electron. Loss electron. Right? See, H3PO4 is there. The first option is there, H3PO4. In the H3PO4, the oxidation number is +5. HNO2 is there. In HNO2, oxidation number is -4 + 1, that means +3. H2SO3, oxidation number -6 + 2, that means it should be +4. Then H2O2, it is the -1, right? So cannot act. Cannot act means oxidizing it. See, phosphorus maximum oxidation number +5. Maximum oxidation state is +5. Okay, it has only 5 valence electrons. 5 valence electron. So 5 valence electrons left. So it can gain electrons. It can gain electron, but it cannot lose electron. It cannot lose electron. So it can gain electron means it can act as oxidizing agent. Oxidizing agent काम कर सकते हैं, लेकिन reducing agent it cannot act as reducing agent. So our question number 1 answer is A. Yes. So question number 1 answer is A. Understood? Remaining you can see nitrogen oxidation number +3. +3 is there, so it can go 0 and +5 also. Here +4 is there, it can go to +6 and +2, yeah, plus only 0. -1 is there, means -2 it can go, and it can go to 0. So oxidation reduction, both possibilities there, but here in case of H3PO4, the +5 can go only gaining electrons. That's why it can act as oxidizing agent. Next, question number 2. The redox reaction among the following is, redox reaction means which can oxidize as well reduce. Okay, reduction and oxidation. The formation of ozone, see A option, the formation of ozone from atmospheric oxygen O2 gives rise in the presence of light 3O2, that to UV light. Okay, so balancing equation 3O2 2O3, right? So oxidation number here also 0, here also 0, so it is not at all redox, right? B option. Here one complex is there, outside Cl3 is there, it is reaction with AgNO3, it will give AgCl, precipitation is there. Okay, so Cl is minus, Ag is the plus, here Ag plus, Cl minus, there is no change in the oxidation state, so it is not redox reaction. Okay, there is no change in the oxidation number, here +1, here also +1 in the product. Chlorine is -1 here, here also -1. Next, C option, reaction of H2SO4 with NaOH. H2SO4 with NaOH. with NaOH. What it will be? Acid plus base equal to salt. Sodium sulfate. Sodium sulfate. In the sodium sulfate, see, hydrogen plus 1, the sulfate is minus 2. Here Na plus OH is minus 1. Here also Na plus sulfate minus 2. Remaining बनेगा water. Water में hydrogen plus oxygen minus 2. So it is just a double displacement reaction. It is not at all redox reaction. So obviously fourth one होगा. Combination of dinitrogen with dioxygen. Dinitrogen plus dioxygen is forming, okay, that is nitric oxide. See, 0 0 it's fine, but 0 2 it should go for plus 2 NO. 0 2 minus 2, plus 2 and minus 2, 0. So 0 to plus 2 means electron loss. Electron loss, that means oxidation. Oxidation. Here electron gain. Electron gain, that is reduction. Reduction. Oxidation reduction is there, so it is redox. Therefore redox. Therefore redox. So question number 2, answer is D. Next. Question number 3. Which of the following reaction is an example of redox reaction? The redox reaction means oxidation and reduction होना चाहिए. Now xenon. Here xenon oxidation number plus 4. Oxygen is fluorine is minus 1. Here O2F2. Obviously fluorine is minus 1. So oxygen will be plus 1. Here xenon plus 6. Oxygen is 0. See, plus 4 to plus 6. That means oxidation. Oxidation. Here oxygen plus 1 to 0. Plus 1 to 0 means electron gaining. Electron gain, that is reduction. So option will be A. Still you can check it other options. Here xenon is plus 2. Here xenon is plus 2. Here xenon, this total is plus 1. Plus 1 means obviously xenon is plus 2. Fluorine is minus 1. Result plus 1. Here plus 1 is there. Okay. So it is not redox. Here xenon plus 6. Here xenon minus 4 minus 2. That means here also plus 6. So xenon here plus 6. Here also plus 6. So it's wrong, wrong, wrong. Okay. Third, A is the answer. Fourth. Copper becomes green when exposed to moisture air for a long period is due to. See, copper utensils you may see in outside. A copper glass is there, suppose the copper glass, the outside it is getting green spots, many green spots. Okay, why it is? Because it is reactive with carbon dioxide and forming carbonate, copper carbonate, forming copper carbonate. Formation of layer cupric oxide. Of course cupric oxide also is there, but cupric oxide color is just blue color only. Okay, basic carbonate copper. See, the formation of layer cupric oxide का not. The formation of layer of basic carbonate of copper on the surface of copper. Right, B is the option, correct option. Copper hydroxide is forming, but that is not green color. the formation of basic copper sulfate. You know copper sulfate is blue color, right? So fourth question is B. Right. Next, fifth question. See here, question number 5. Which of the following chemical reaction depict the oxidizing behavior of H2SO4? NaCl reaction with H2SO4. So the question is asking where the H2SO4 acting as oxidizing agent. Oxidizing agent. See, NaCl plus H2SO4. In the product also SO4 is there. That means neither oxidized nor reduced. In the second, PCl5 is forming POCl3. You can see oxidation number PCl5, oxidation number plus 5. In case of POCl3, this total minus 3 minus 2, that means total is a plus 5. So in the PCl5 also plus 5, in the POCl3 also plus 5, means neither oxidized nor reduced. In case of HI, iodine minus 1, iodine 0, minus 1 to 0, obviously it is oxidized, oxidation. Due to H2SO4, the other substance getting oxidation, that means H2SO4 is acting as a oxidizing agent. And one more property of this oxidizing agent is itself should reduce. देखो sulfur oxidation number plus 6, here plus 4, that means sulfur undergoing reduction. Okay, this is also supporting. So finally answer is C. H2SO4 acting as oxidizing agent, itself undergoing reduction. Fine. And D option, see sulfate is there, sulfate as it is sulfate, so neither oxidation nor reduced. Next question number 6. Several blocks of magnesium are fixed to the bottom of ship 2. Make the ship lighter. No, generally ship is made by iron only, main container. See, ship is, it's like this. Okay, so boat, I am taking boat. Okay, so here these plates, some plates are keeping, these are the magnesium plates. So here water is there, this water is salt water. In the salt water, iron is getting rust, it's very fast. So to prevent that iron corrosion of iron, so that means to prevent the rust, so we are using magnesium. So magnesium is more reactive, so first the magnesium will get oxidation, but magnesium is forming magnesium oxide, that is strong layer, the further reaction cannot take place. That's why we are using magnesium. So prevent action of water and salt, yeah, this is the correct option. Prevent puncturing by under sea rocks, इतना strong नहीं है, it's normal. Keep away the sharks, it's no, so B is the option. Right, next question number 7. Which of the following is a redox reaction? Again, simple basic question. See, double displacement कभी भी redox नहीं होगा. Okay, Na plus Cl minus, Na plus Cl minus. Calcium oxalate HCl. देखो Cl में minus H plus, so here Cl minus H तो plus होगा, so it is also not. Magnesium hydroxide ammonium chloride, same double displacement, no. Zinc displacement reaction, clear cut, zinc is 0 here, zinc is plus 2, Ag plus 1, here 0, that means redox reaction. 0 to plus 2 getting oxidation, zinc plus 1 to plus 2, sorry, Ag plus 1 to 0, it is getting reduction. Oxidation plus reduction is there, that means redox. So D is the correct option. Next, yeah, topic 2. Topic 2, oxidation number, right? Question number 8. The oxidation states of iron atoms in compound A, B and C respectively are X, Y, Z. The sum of X, Y, Z is, okay, X plus Y plus Z equal to how much? Asking. What is the X? X means A compound, B compound, Z, C compound. In that iron, see, first A compound I will write it here. Na4 Fe Cn5 NOS. Okay, now oxidation number, this total is +4 means इधर ब्रैकेट के ऊपर -4 हो जाएगा. We don't know this X, but cyanide is -1. Okay, then NOS, it is -1, total -5 -1 -6. -6 means iron होगा इधर +2. okay, X plus -5 -1 that equal to -4, then X equal to -6 उधर गए तो +6, that means +2. okay, then second option Na4 FeO4. see here cyanide though you know that, but NOS maybe it's new for you. NOS, it is a total -1. okay, now Na, this is a total +4 means bracket के ऊपर होगा -4. then iron, we don't know X, total oxygens here -8, that equal to -4, then X equal to +4. then Z, sorry, C, Fe2CO, CO, carbonyl is carbon monoxide. Carbon monoxide का oxidation number 0, so this iron is 0, right? Therefore it would be, I can say Y. okay, then X plus X equal to 2, Y equal to 4, Z equal to 0, that means total 6. Total oxidation number is 6. The total is 6. Right? Next. Question number 9. The oxidation state of transition metal atoms in K2Cr2O7. Again oxidation number K2Cr2O7. Then KMnO4, then K2FeO4, right? See, in the K2Cr2O7, if I take it as X, the total, ये तो +1 हो जाएगा, ये तो -2, then +2 +2x लेना है. Students will do the mistake here, they will take it as X only. Oxidation number you have to take as X, so 2 chromiums are there, it will be 2x, then +7 into -2 equal to 0. Why it's 0? It is a neutral molecule. Then -14 plus 2, that means 2x minus 12 equal to 0, x equal to 12 by 2, that equal x equal to 6. Here KMnO4 +1 minus 2, it is again x, you can take unknown, +1 plus x minus 8 equal to 0, then x minus 7 equal to 0, then x equal to 7. Then here we don't know that x, it is +1, it is -2. total potassiums plus 2 iron x oxygen total minus 8, then that equal to 0, x equal to 6, x equal to 6. Then what is the question here? The oxidation states of transition metals XYZ, the sum of XYZ. So XYZ means here y it is a z, right? So x plus y plus z equals 6 plus 7 plus 6, that equal 12 plus 9, 7, 19. Ninth question answer is 19. Okay, right. Then question number 10. Question number 10. The oxidation number of potassium. See, very simple, matlab simple. लेकिन students will do the mistakes because everyone will think that by the overconfidence the question is asked about oxygen. They will think, लेकिन clearly the question is asking about potassium. Okay, so potassium asking, that's why blindly you can give the answer plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, because all S block first group elements showing plus 1, second group elements showing plus 2. Okay, so lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium all are only plus 1. Suppose ये क्वेश्चन में if oxygen is asking, okay, note में if oxygen was asked, then here ये होगा, this is the oxygen will be minus 2, then here peroxide, so minus 1, here minus 1 by 2. Okay, but the question is asking about only potassium, so option is correct option B, right. Question number 11, right. The oxidation state of chromium in Cr H2O6 Cl3 Cr C6H6 benzene 2 times, then K2 Cr cyanide 2 times, oxygen 2 times, one is O2, then NH3. Okay, right. Now see, chlorine is minus 1, water 0, then chromium we don't know, X. See, X plus 0 minus 1, chlorine is minus 1, total chlorine is, okay, what can I do here, 3 into minus 1 equal to 0, therefore x minus 3 equal to 0, then x equal to 3. The oxidation state of chromium, one is 3, another one, see here benzene is the neutral molecule, so total 0, that means here the chromium is 0, x plus 0 equal to 0, that means x equal to 0. Next here, this is the total plus 1 is the potassium, total is plus 2, total plus 2 means on the bracket minus 2, right. We don't know this is x. Cyanide is minus 1, oxygen generally minus 2, Nowadays ammonia is 0, okay, The students will confuse here only. It is a peroxide. Okay, here potassium oxidation number +1, total +2, that means on the bracket -2. Chromium oxidation number we don't know, that is X. Cyanide oxidation number -1, so -1 into 2, -2. Oxygen oxidation number -2, the total -4. Here peroxide oxidation number is -2, that equals, we are talking about this bracket only. Now you can forget about this. On the bracket -2 is there, on the bracket -2, right? So equal to -2. Then -6 -8, -8 if you take it right side, +8, therefore x equal to +6. Now answers 3 0 +6, 3 0 +6, 3 0 +6 means option C. Option C. Next, question number 12. Among the following, identify the species with an atom +6 oxidation state. You know that MnO4, in the MnO4 manganese is +7. Okay, chromium, here it is a -1, total -6, but bracket के ऊपर -3 is there, that means chromium is +3. Okay, oxygen total -4, chlorine total -2, that means chromium will be +6. Here it is +6. We need answer, so D. Once again we can confirm it. Chromium, see total oxygen -6. Here 2x equal to -6 means x equal to क्या होगा, +3. So answer is D. Answer is D. Then oxidation state of sulfur in anions increasing order. The oxidation state, if more oxygens are there, obviously oxidation number will be more. So 6 oxygens, but per sulfur only 3, per sulfur 2. Okay, it's a wrong option. Here each sulfur 6, so obviously more oxidation number here hoga, that means wrong. Here each sulfur 2 oxygens, 3 oxygens, each sulfur 3 oxygens. Okay, next, here each sulfur 2 oxygens, 3 oxygens, 3 oxygens. Okay, now we have to check it properly, this one. So SO3 2 minus, and here sulfur oxidation number 6, that means SO3 minus 2, right? So x -6 equal to -2, that equal to x equal 4. X equal 4 in case of SO3 2 minus. I will change the pen. In case of S2O6, it is 2x minus 12 equal to -2. That means 2x equal -12 इधर आ गया तो +12, that means +10. Then x equal to 5. Okay, x equal to 5, here x equal to 4, that means C is the option. 13th question, C is the option, correct option. Okay, the remaining topics we can discuss in the next video. Watch the videos. Bye.